Oh yeah, I'm just supposed to give a TEDx talk day after tomorrow. Oh yeah, I heard about it. So, did you prepare for it? Oh no, come on. I'm a natural speaker. I can just go on stage and speak, not a big deal. Oh yes, really good. What? Hey there, I am Nancy Shah. I am a trainer, public speaker, anchor, voiceover artist and founder of Speaker Circle. We started this initiative to help people improve their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. You'll find the link of the form in the description. Well, in today's video, we are going to tell you why do you need to practice your speech. If you feel that you don't need it, well, better you watch this video today. Let's get started. What do you think? All these TED speakers or the motivational speakers or anybody who gives a talk or speech, do they just go on stage and speak and they perform such well? I don't think so. All the wonderful speeches are well scripted, very well rehearsed, many times practiced, and then only they are presenting in front of you. So today I am going to give you a few reasons why you should practice too. The very first reason is to let your audience feel valued. Nobody likes a speaker who just comes on stage and says, okay, I'm just here today. I'm sorry I did not get time to practice much, but I'm going to talk. What? You're here as a speaker. You're expected to be prepared. You need to practice your speech and come here. And when you do so, that passes on a great message to your audience that you're serious about this talk, you're prepared well, and whatever you're saying is important. So to make your audience feel valued, you need to prepare and practice. Another benefit that you get when you prepare and practice again and again, that you are able to observe the little scopes of improvement. For example, while talking this, if you could add this body language or that voice modulation, or you can say the same words in a different manner, these thoughts will come only when you prepare and practice again and again. So you should give it a try, and I'm sure you'll be able to update many things while practicing. Another benefit that you'll get through practice and preparation is that you will be able to memorize your speech very easily. When you repeat something again and again, when you practice with your cue cards again and again, that will get printed in your mind and it won't be much difficult for you to know your flow. You'll be able to speak with the right flow if you prepare and practice. So many times it happens that in our speech we have used some good vocabulary, some phrases, some jargons, some words that are not much familiar to us. Now when you prepare and practice, you will be able to get more ease while speaking those words. You will be able to remember those words and its correct pronunciations. So it will help you be more fluent. Another benefit that you get through practice is to ensure that you follow the timelines. Nobody likes a speaker who takes too long than the given time. Even nobody likes a speaker who just ends abruptly and completes before the time and not able to do justice to the given time. You need to ensure that you are within the timelines. Of course, few seconds here and there are always acceptable, but then to practice with the timelines, you can audio record or video record yourself and observe that are you following it or not. One more thing that will happen while practicing is you'll fall in love with your speech, and that will boost up your energy as well as your enthusiasm towards delivering it. And last but not the least, while you practice your speech and prepare it again and again, you reduce your nervousness because now you know what you're going to talk, and that automatically boosts up your confidence. So through this video, I just wanted to tell you why you should practice your speech and why you should prepare. Well, I hope I have convinced you. Try it out on your own and tell us your experience. We are also going to create another video on how you can practice your speeches. What are the different ways to do it in a better manner? If you want to receive such updates, consider subscribing Speaker Circle YouTube channel, because we create videos on tips on public speaking regularly and you'll get those updates very easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this has been helpful to you. See you some other time. Bye-bye.